Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 3200 LatteGo and the Jura E8, both renewed super-automatic espresso machines. Looks like a pretty big price difference right off the bat, huh? The Philips is around $600, and the Jura is nearly $2,000.
Wow, yeah, that's a huge jump. What's the Jura offering that justifies that price tag?
Well, for starters, the Jura boasts 17 programmed specialties compared to the Philips 5, so you're getting a lot more drink variety. And it has a fancy 2.8-inch color display and what they call a professional aroma grinder. They claim it extracts 12% more aroma.
Okay, more drinks and a better grinder makes sense. The Philips mentions a ceramic grinder, though, and that it's good for 20,000 cups. That seems pretty durable.
True, the Philips does emphasize durability. It also highlights its LatteGo system for milk frothing, claiming it creates a silky smooth foam. The Jura doesn't specifically name its frothing tech, but it does offer programmable milk and milk foam amounts, which is a nice touch.
So it's more customizable then? What about cleaning? I always dread cleaning espresso machines.
The Philips brags about its easily removable brew group for easy cleaning. I didn't see anything quite as direct about cleaning on the Jura's description, which is interesting.
That's a point in Philips' favor. What about size? Counter space is a premium.
The Philips is slightly more compact at 17D x 10 inches W x 15 inches H. The Jura is a bit bigger at 19.9 x 17.2 x 12.4. So the Jura is wider and deeper.
Okay, so to recap, the Jura has way more drink options, a potentially better grinder, and more customization, but it's significantly more expensive and larger. The Philips is cheaper, easier to clean, and smaller.
Exactly. And the Philips specifically mentions iced coffee as a feature, which the Jura doesn't. So if you're an iced coffee fan, that's something to consider. It really comes down to budget and what features are most important to you. Are you a coffee connoisseur or someone just looking for an easy and good cup? Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.